Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error code that you get while trying to access Xbox or Microsoft Store. To get started, simply type WS reset. You will get this option, simply click on it and this will reset the Microsoft Store and see if this helps resolve the issue or not. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Search for Microsoft Store, right click over it and click on App Settings. From here, terminate the program first. Then click on Repair. Once the repair completes, see if the issue gets resolved or not. However, if it doesn't, then come back here again and do a reset. In the next method, search for command prompt. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to execute it and wait for the process to finish. Once done, type in the next command you see in the screen and execute it. Once successfully completed, close the command prompt window and restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and this should fix the issue. However, if you still get the error, then the last resort left is to reinstall Microsoft Store. So I have already made a video on this topic. Simply go to the video description and watch this video and reinstall Microsoft Store. And also make sure that there are no pending Windows updates. If there are any updates, simply download and install them. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.